Would you try garlic ice cream? That's exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm Allison. Welcome to Simple Fantastic Kitchen on the Road. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. I'm in Gilroy, California, known as the garlic capital of the world. They even have a garlic-themed amusement park known as Gilroy Gardens. As fun as this place looks, that's a video for another day because we came for the garlic ice cream. And the best place to get it is Garlic World. Out front, they have fresh local Gilroy garlic, sold by the bulb. They also have garlic braids, which are decorative and practical ways to store garlic. Braiding garlic is an ancient method of preserving garlic after harvest, allowing it to dry and store well. The stems are braided together, keeping the bulbs connected and reducing the rate at which they dry out. They add rustic charm to any kitchen. Inside, they have the freshest produce. And of course, everything garlic.
Hello, welcome to Garlic World.
They have fried barbecue garlic cloves, garlic clove chips, which I tried. They were pretty good. Then they have a huge selection in the back with garlic salsa, pickled jalapeno garlic, roasted garlic mustard, roasted garlic paste. I got some of that as well. Absolutely delicious. Plain pickled garlic, cowboy candy, which is pickled jalapenos with garlic gherkins, garlic spices. I bought this sweet garlic grill spice. It's absolutely wonderful. Garlic mushrooms, all kinds of garlic aioli, garlic oil, and the world's longest garlic braid, coming in at 216 feet. There are so many other garlic products here that I haven't named, but we came for the garlic ice cream. So let's check it out. Okay, time to try it. I'm a little nervous. We are trying garlic flavored ice cream for the very first time. Here we go. It's definitely ice cream. It's definitely garlic flavored, but it's not bad. You can taste the cream and the sugar and the garlic, but it's very fresh tasting. Honestly, I'll probably finish this little container. It's very refreshing on a summer's day. I probably wouldn't buy it in bulk, but it's not bad. It's sort of like ice cream with a garlic aftertaste. I don't know, you have to try it for yourself. I do recommend that everyone come and try the garlic ice cream one time in their life and see if it's for you. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen for more recipes, reviews, how-tos, and videos just like this. See you next time.